Hi, everybody. Good morning. I hope you are doing fine. I want to explain you a little bit. This homework is for you, Gonja, and for Mahir. This is what we work on Tuesday. So you can see we are going to work on the simple present and present continuous. Remember that when we are using the simple present, we only use the verb in normal form. That is, I work, you work, he works, she works, it works, they work, we work. Remember, we saw it on the last lesson. But if we are going to use the just make it bigger. Yes, if we are going to use the present continuous, that is I am driving. I am working. He is working. We, you, they studying. So I am or you are or he is and the verb ing. Ing. Examples, we saw it last time, but it's going to Colombia. More and more people are using their computer. Peter is reading. Remember, I am playing, you are playing, I am not playing. So what I want you to do is to take this homework and write here what is the correct form. So for example, I read, I am reading. Yes, because when I use ing, I use right? If you have any questions, please send me a WhatsApp and see you on Friday.